holidays are almost here, and that means, lots of family events and lots of home cooking. And so this is a great opportunity to really choose foods that are going to keep us nourished and balanced all day long. So besides being a registered dietitian, I'm also a mom, but most importantly, I also live with type 1 diabetes. So this is really important, and I understand, how important it is to choose foods that are going to work for us, but also, for the rest of the family. So I'm so happy to be partnering today with Wonderful Pistachios and help people have a healthy, and enjoyable holiday. So we have 3 delicious recipes that are great this holiday season. Best part, they're simple to make and they taste delicious. So let's get right to it. The first one, the pistachio chimichurri, not a typical chimichurri. When we add the pistachios, it really enhances the flavor and it really gives it a great texture as well. And not to mention, we're also getting that plant boost, the plant-based protein boost. A serving of pistachios has 6 grams of complete plant-based protein, and it includes all 9 essential amino acids. So again, super important. And so here I'm using the lightly salted no-shell pistachios, a little olive oil, some garlic, and any fresh herb that you have, it will work. That's why I love its versatility. Then moving on to the second one, this is the pistachio powered snack board. And this is great for the holidays, for hosting in the holidays. Who doesn't love to see a beautiful snack board? And the key to having a healthy snack board is really to choose foods that are going to give you good nutrition as you're nibbling. So you're nibbling, but you're also getting that nourishment. And pistachios is the only snack nut that is a good source of protein with over 10% daily value. And so again, another great reason why we want this. And so I'm choosing a different nut. I'm going in shell without any salt just because I like the whole concept of getting together at the table, that social activity and cracking open that pistachio. And so before I forget, I do want to mention that the Association of Diabetes Care and Education Specialists has a wonderful handout on snacking for people with diabetes. So check it out at diabeteseducators.org. And last but not least, a meal would not be complete with maybe something sweet. And so we here have these gorgeous pistachio mini pellets. We're mixing in that dark chocolate and we're balancing it out with some lightly salted pistachios, a little pomegranate arrows on top. It just looks wonderful, and it could even be a great holiday gift. So there you have it, 3 beautiful recipes that work for everybody, and they're simple to make. So for all of these recipes and for more information, everything related to pistachios, make sure to check out their social at Wonderful Pistachios.